If you want to trade with me, I have a shadow trading program where you will be added to a private group and receive alerts in a moment's notice anytime I enter and exit a trade. Click the link in the description below and let's start taking these trades together. Hey, how's it going today, everyone? Hope you're all doing fantastic out there today. Just wanted to bring you in here for this trade I just placed on the binary options position here. A few key factors I like to look at when entering a trade is how strong the volume is in correlation with the current trend. If the volume is weak in relation to the current trend, you may see a trend reversal in the near future. Alternatively, if the volume is strong in relation to the current trend, you may expect a trend continuation to come. In a scenario like this, I like to combine different forms of technical analysis with other forms of technical analysis to combine them together and make for areas of confluence where multiple different styles of trading are combined to find specific targeted entries to make for more confident trade entries long term. Be sure to learn more from my educational package down in the description below. An excellent profit here for this trade overall. It's amazing what is possible over such a short period of time when you combine different trading styles to formulate these targeted entries. As always, be sure to keep a disciplined approach when trading short-term binary options such as these. Risk management should be your first consideration before even entering a trade. If you want to learn more about how to find key areas of confluence for trading binary options just like you see here in the video, be sure to check out the resources in the description below, where I have the educational package covering in a multi-video series exactly what I look for when entering on a trade. Alternatively, I do offer the shadow trading program where you can get access to any time I enter and exit a trade on the pocketoption platform Sundays through Thursdays. If these interest you, then learn more below. Also be sure to like and subscribe to stay up to date with more great videos just like this and other tips for trading binary options to come. Thanks for watching and stay safe out there. Peace. If you want to trade with me, I have a shadow trading program where you will be added to a private group and receive alerts in a moment's notice anytime I enter and exit a trade. Click the link in the description below and let's start taking these trades together. The opposite of the more common strategy of buying a security with the hope that its price will rise, also known as going long. There are several reasons why someone might want to short the market. Number one, you can profit from falling prices. Shorting allows traders to profit from a bearish outlook on a particular asset or the broader market. If they correctly anticipate a price decline, it can make for a fantastic short-term profit scenario. Also, you can use shorting as a way of hedging against market downturns. Investors may use short positions, or in this case a sell position on a binary option, as a way to hedge against their existing long positions. If you want to trade with me, I have a shadow trading program where you will be added to a private group and receive alerts in a moment's notice anytime I enter and exit a trade. Click the link in the description below and let's start taking these trades together.